Book of Heaven, Volume 11, November 13, 1915. Necessity for Jesus to give communion to himself before giving it to others. How the soul must offer her communion. After I had received Holy Communion, I thought to myself, how should I offer it in order to please Jesus? And he, always benign, told me,
My daughter, if you want to please me, offer it as my own humanity did. Before giving communion to others, I gave communion to myself, and I wanted to do this in order to give to the Father the complete glory of all the communions of creatures, and to enclose within me all the reparations for all the sacrileges, for all the offenses that my humanity would receive in the sacrament. Since my humanity enclosed the divine will, it enclosed all reparations of all times. And since I received myself worthily. And since all the works of creatures were divinized by my humanity, with my communion I wanted to seal the communions of creatures. Otherwise, how could the creature receive a God? It was my humanity that opened this door to creatures and earned for them that they might receive me. Now you, my daughter, do it in my will, unite it to my humanity. In this way you will enclose everything, and I will find in you the reparations of all, the compensation for everything, and my satisfaction. Even more, I will find in you another me,